for being tuned in. Let's get you breaking updates now coming in. A cargo vessel has reportedly been hit by an unknown projectile off the coast of Oman. According to the UK Maritime Trade Operations, the incident occurred around 20 nautical miles northeast of Al-Khasab. The vessel broadcast a distress message as well. Let's go across to my colleague Akanksha Swaroop joining us on the broadcast with the details. Akanksha, a vessel has been targeted. This is amid US and Iran both claiming that they're close to a deal. What are the details?
So, yes, the rhetoric coming out from the US president and the Iranian leadership is very much contradictory in nature, because on one day, the US President Donald Trump makes some claims, and the other day, you have the Iranians contradicting him, and that's exactly what he's gone on to say. But Pratibha, more importantly, the tensions in the Strait of Hormuz continue unabated at a time when the US president is already talking about striking a deal with the Iranians. It doesn't seem like they are really ready for peace at the moment, given that UK MTO has just now received this report of an incident being reported 20 nautical miles northeast of Al-Khasab in Oman. Now, we must keep in mind that the Iranians have made it amply clear that the authorization, the governance and the administration around the Strait of Hormuz is only going to be done by Iran and Oman, and that they are already in talks to come up with a deal with regards to the overall administration of the Strait of Hormuz. So now that vessels are continuing to get attacked, more importantly, there are 6 other vessels which had to, in fact, divert their route. They were about to pass through Bab al-Mandeb, and because of the Houthi-declared blockade, these Saudi tankers, as we are being told, had to be diverted. So yes, maritime security continuing to bear the brunt of this ongoing crisis. We are yet to receive more details with regards to this particular attack that has been reported in Al-Khasab, in terms of what is the identity of this vessel, which country is it flagged from, and more importantly, is it the IRGC that has attacked this vessel, or is it the US naval blockade, given that the United States has already declared in that announcement that Trump had posted that they'll not be really going ahead with any attacks. It doesn't seem like it, that it is the US Navy which may have attacked the vessel.
Okay, all right. Stay with us, Akanksha. We have more breaking updates now coming in. This is amid the US hinting that the talks are still ongoing with Iran.